Hello friends, I am Brij Kishore Sharma Tara from Rajnandgaon, Chhattisgarh, India. And today in my science series, I present for you my new item for your kind observation and entertainment. This is my 35 mm non-reflex film camera, Snapper. This camera was manufactured in India in 1990s under license from Agfa Germany. This is a very simple camera but with fine appreciable results. This camera has fixed focal length lens, viewfinder, and for proper light adjustment we have here a ring with symbols of sun, cloud, and flash as well. While using flash we have to turn ring bringing it to this point, this symbol, and while taking shots in cloudy weather we have to turn ring to this point, and in broad sunlight we have to turn ring with this symbol bringing it to this point. This is flash socket. This window informs how many shots have been taken. 36 shots are usually taken using this type of film. And I open the back side for your kind observation. A very neat camera. This chamber is intended for film, and this is we can call it shutter chamber, and serrated wheels through which film moves forward. And now I insert the film roll for your observation. And now we have to adjust the film to this drum, and for this we have to move the film forward, and they move over this serrated wheel. Just see. In this way the film roll is loaded in the camera, and shots taken. When all 36 shots have been taken and the cartridge is empty, then we have to move this film backward into this cartridge, and for this we have to press this knob, which releases the gear, and the film is ready to move backward in this way, in this way. In this way. And when the film is completely gone inside the cartridge, the camera is opened and cartridge taken out for processing, and this camera now awaits new cartridge for taking new shots. Friends, I hope that you must have a little liked this presentation, and if you have liked this presentation, then I will think that I have done my best for your entertainment. Thank you for watching.